Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey, and I have a new kit, a digital kit to share with you. It is a journal kit with journal pages, collage pages, tags, journaling cards, and ephemera. This is based on the blue. It started off with the blue Easter egg. If you've been following along, I did 5 eggs for Easter. They were floral eggs, floral with bows, and I'll put visual on screen for you. But also, after I created those eggs, I went back and created matching digital papers. So once I created those papers, I decided I would take each one and create a kit based on those papers. And I started with the blue. So this is blue, and it is called Garden Blues. I think my kits are a little different. I don't want them to be so similar to everyone else's, completely vintage. I kind of like a mix of a lot of different styles together, and I think I'm working on creating my own style. Anywho, let's get started with the flip through of these. I had some issues with my printers, so some things might not be perfectly centered, but it is not because of the digital, it was because of my printer. Also, I've been working on this so long, I have the pages mixed up. I tried to separate them out, but there is a collage and journal page set. There is a ephemera set, and then there is another set that is journaling cards and large tags. All right, so this is my favorite of the pages. It's a little different, but I really like it. And I did print these double-sided just to show that you can. And this is printed on regular, I think 24-pound paper. It might be 32-pound. 24, 28, or 32-pound paper. I'm not sure. And this is another one of the collage pages. I think this is a journal page. And then a collage page. And we have architecture throughout, and I really like that. I thought that it really gives a different type of garden vibe. This is a journal page, another journal page. I believe this is a collage page. Got the glass jars on there. And then this is a pattern page for collaging. Another collage page. Collage page. Journal page. And these aren't specific to anything. If you want to use them as collage or journal, like you could use this as a journal page. Use white gel ink or gold gel ink or silver or whatever your choice is. Then we get into some of the ephemera. This is an envelope. Another one of the envelopes. These are like your medium-sized tags. Then we've got coin envelope with the inserts for it. Got a file folder with tabs and some tiny tags. This is an envelope with inserts and tags. You got 2 pockets, deco, and a faux book plate. And this is a decorative edge envelope with tickets, individual, and the strip. Then I created this kind of like a journal insert printable. So you can either cut these into 4 individual pieces, turn them into journaling cards, or you could keep this together and fold it in half to make a cover for a booklet or an inside page for a booklet. And then you have the blank version here so that you can decorate it up, turn it into a booklet cover, booklet pages, however you choose. You just print something different on the other side if you want, and you have pages to make a little small journal. Then this is more deco. We have the lace edging. So we have a postcard, a label, and the blue glass jars. Yeah, I really got these out of order. This is another one of my favorite pages with the walkway, or I don't know what it was, the balcony and the lamp in the forest. Then this is more of the architecture. So this page got out of order. Then these are the journaling cards. Those are like 4x6, and they have a border around them, and they are on a background. So you choose how you want to cut those out, with or without the border. Same with these. These are the architecture versions of the journaling cards. Then some more versions of the pages, but in journaling card size. Here's some more of the journaling cards. Then we get into tags. These are the large tags with the tiny matching tags. These would be great for layering. So maybe with this, the medium-sized tags and the large tags, you could have a 3-layered tag. I think that would be cute. Then these are the larger tags. And this also includes a page mark or bookmark. So that is everything in the kit. All the individual parts of the kit are available in the Journal Life's Journey Etsy shop. Also, if you do use the kit, please tag me on social media. You can tag me at Journal Life's Journey or at SCRAPCRAFTASTIC. I'll put all that information in the description box below, along with the link to my Etsy shop. I hope you enjoyed seeing the new kit. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Bye.